Hey there everyone, this is JV here from JVIT, and welcome to another episode of Make It Mac Monday. However, this is a midweek drop, a very special one. So this is a follow-up to Monday's episode, which regarded how to install an app on a Mac. And in fact, in today's episode, we're going to learn the opposite, how to uninstall an app on a Mac. For those of you that have tried before, at times, it could be a very straightforward process of simply dragging the app to the recycle bin. But there are some times where it takes a little more digging. And that's what we're going to cover today. A special shout out goes to my buddy Diego, who commented on the Facebook page saying, "Hey JV, it's great that you showed us how to install things, but I'm having some real trouble uninstalling something. Can you help me out?" My answer is, Diego, of course, I love you, man. It's coming right up. So this one's for you, Diego. Alright, here we go. So to begin the uninstall process, we're going to go to the Finder area. So we'll click on Finder. Then what we'll do is we'll go to the Applications folder or directory. And from there, we're going to pick an app that we want to uninstall. So today, we'll go with Google Chrome. So now there are a few ways to do this from within the Applications area. One, if you just right-click on it, or use that secondary click on the Mac, if you will, this menu will come up. You go Move to Trash, and that'll do what it says. It'll move it to the trash, and then eventually, just like, real trash, you can empty the trash to get it permanently gone. But for right now, what we're going to do is I'm going to use the undo function and place it right back where it was. Now the second way to remove it from the applications area is to click and drag this from that area and then drop it right into the trash bin. And then it's again in the trash bin for you to completely, dump or get rid of it another time. But we're going to go one step further. Let's say you're facing a problem like my buddy Diego, where no matter what you do, dragging and dropping it, or just selecting Move to Trash is not working. One of the more advanced ways that you can go ahead and uninstall something is by using this app called CCleaner. Now, CCleaner is a great utility. They make it for both Windows and Mac. And one of the things I'm going to do, I'm going to link this in the description of the video below, because there are a lot of websites that say, download CCleaner here because I know it's such a reliable tool, but they'll put up false links on it. So I'm going to give you the link straight to the developer's website. That way you're getting it right from the source. But anyway, so we're going to open up the CCleaner. And what we're going to do, we're not going to focus on the cleaner portion, but instead we're going to go into Tools. And if you notice, the first section it gives us says Uninstall. Now again, this will look a little different on Windows. But on your Mac, you select that uninstall. Then you pick whatever app you want to remove. We're going to go with Chrome. And then we're going to go uninstall. It's going to ask, are you sure? You go yes. And it's gone. And it's completely gone, which is pretty cool. Alright everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson in how to uninstall an app from your Mac. If you did, if you could give it a thumbs up below, subscribe to the channel. And the biggest compliment you could give is actually sharing this with someone, sharing the channel or the video with someone who you think could benefit from it. Thank you so much. And the question of the day, if you, and this is continued from the Facebook post, that if there's anything JVIT could do for you, what would it be? Just let me know. Alright, I love you all. God bless you, and have a great day.